Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, and it's about 1 o'clock New York time. We're looking at the financial markets. This is the E-mini S&P. Some of you trade the micro E-mini. And what I'm showing you here is a live signal that just fired off, 43.57. And this is the last 6 signals that we've had. So there have been 4 short signals and 2 long signals. And before I jump into this 43.57 long, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. So if you're following me here with this trade, remember there are risks involved in case the trade doesn't work out.
Order submitted.
So I'm going to submit this order to the long side. There is the chart trader that I just added to the chart.
Order filled.
And I'm filled here at 43.57 and a quarter. So using a market of touched order, I have 1 tick of slippage, which is completely acceptable. If you look at the ATR, it's about 2 points, 2 1/4. So that is 8 ticks or $100 with 1 contract. So if you're trading 1 contract, you have the ability to make $100. If you're trading 2 contracts, that would be $200. If you're trading 5 contracts, it would be $500 with the profit target. Now, some of you may be trading the micro E-minis, and those are great to start off with and to trade. Smaller point values, less risk, and so micro E-minis are a great way to get your feet wet with trading with less risk. The software that I'm using is the Trade Scalper software, so the signals that you're seeing, without anything else, it's just the Trade Scalper software indicating long, short. We include training so you understand how and why this works. This is a great tool, and I've gotten so much feedback on this that I'm really happy to see traders profit and be successful on the Trade Scalper software. And it looks like it's going in our favor, and there it is.
Filled.
There is the quick and easy trade that happens with the Trade Scalper. Not every signal is going to be like this, obviously, but in this case, it took about 1.5 minutes to make, I think, $500, if I'm not mistaken, with any potential slippage, about $500, minus commissions as well. So remember, you have to include the commissions. Here are the last signals on the Trade Scalper. Only 1 signal here, this short at 43.50. Was a losing trade, so out of 6 signals, 5 were successful. That's what I like to see. And if your trading software doesn't trade like this, give us a call. Let's set you up with the Trade Scalper. My name is John Paul, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.